You can reverse muscle loss after 60. 5 isometric holds. That means no movement, just pure sustained tension. 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. That's all it takes. Hold these 5 positions consistently, and your body will rebuild the muscle, strength, and stability it has been quietly losing for years. No weights, no gym, just you, your body weight, and the most underused training method in existence. Number 1, the chest press wall push. Most people think muscle loss after 60 is inevitable, but the real cause is not age, it is inactivity and the complete absence of muscle tension in daily life. The chest press wall push creates maximum tension through your chest, shoulders, and arms without moving a single inch. That sustained tension is the exact signal your body needs to stop losing muscle and start rebuilding it. Here's how to do it. Stand facing a solid wall with your palms flat against it at chest height. Step back until your arms are almost fully extended. Press your palms into the wall as hard as physically possible. Imagine you are trying to push the wall across the room. Keep your body in a straight line and do not let your hips sag forward. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. This is how you reawaken your upper body and signal your muscles to grow again. Number 2, the iron chair. Most people over 60 accept weak, aching legs as a normal part of aging, but the real cause is that your leg muscles have stopped receiving any meaningful challenge from daily movement. The iron chair, a hold at 90 degrees against the wall, creates intense sustained tension through your quads, glutes, and hamstrings simultaneously. It also rebuilds the joint stability that protects your knees and hips for decades to come. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Slide your body down until your thighs are perfectly parallel to the floor at 90 degrees. Keep your feet flat, your knees directly over your ankles, and your back fully pressed into the wall. Hold completely still. Do not let your hips drop below parallel or your knees cave inward. Breathe slowly and hold your position. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. This is how you rebuild powerful legs and protect your joints for life. Number 3, the plank hold. Most people over 60 suffer from a weak, unstable core and assume it is simply back pain getting worse. But the real cause is years of sitting that have switched off the deep, stabilizing muscles surrounding your spine. The plank hold reactivates every single one of those muscles at once, building a natural brace around your lower back that reduces pain, improves posture, and protects your spine from the inside out. Here's how to do it. Lower yourself onto your forearms with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Extend your legs fully behind you and rest on the balls of your feet. Squeeze your glutes, brace your stomach as if bracing for a punch, and hold your body in a dead straight line. Keep your hips level. Do not let them rise or sink. Fix your eyes on the floor and breathe steadily throughout. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 45 seconds. This is how you rebuild a strong, pain-free back that keeps you upright and powerful. Number 4, the dead hang hold. Most people with tight, painful shoulders think they need more stretching, but the real cause is a lifetime of forward movements, pushing, typing, driving with almost zero pulling or overhead tension. The dead hang places your shoulders in a full, natural, open position and applies gentle, sustained traction through your spine. It rebuilds grip strength, which research directly links to longevity and overall muscle health after 60. Here's how to do it. Grip a sturdy overhead bar or beam with both hands shoulder width apart. Release all the tension in your shoulders and let your body hang completely loose. Feel your spine lengthen and your shoulders open fully. Keep your core gently engaged to prevent swinging. Breathe slowly and stay still throughout. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. This is how you decompress your spine and rebuild grip strength that lasts a lifetime. Number 5. The glute bridge hold. Most men and women over 60 have glutes, the large muscles in your backside that are almost completely inactive. But the real cause is not weakness. It is prolonged sitting that literally trains your glutes to switch off. Weak glutes force your lower back, knees, and hips to absorb every load they were never designed to carry. The glute bridge hold reactivates those muscles under sustained tension and puts the right muscles back in charge. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent at 90 degrees and your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Drive through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from knees to shoulders. Squeeze your glutes as hard as possible at the top. Hold that position completely still. Do not let your hips drop or rotate to one side. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds. This is how you reactivate your glutes and protect your back, hips, and knees for decades. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.